That's wild, but it actually rolls into our next and last story of 2020. 10 strange animals that washed ashore in 2020.
Oh.
This is kind of cool. We had a giant ocean creature, giant squid with eyes that were 1 foot wide. That thing's enormous.
Whoa.
We had a 7-armed octopus. Where is the 8th arm? They say. Although what they found out is it's actually just a male octopus and the 8th arm is hidden at times because that's its sexually functioning arm. Mm-hmm. I don't know if you knew that.
It's hidden.
Here we have an image of a mass die-off. Thousands of dead sea creatures, including octopuses, fish, and starfish, washed ashore in the remote Russian peninsula of Kamchatka. Which, Kamchatka, I always remember from playing Risk. I believe that's one of the territories.
Oh yeah.
In the board game Risk. Anyway, you can see it looks like they got poisoned, I guess, whatever these creatures are. Although those don't even look like creatures in that image. It looks like bubbles. I guess they're jellyfish or something. Anyway, apparently they originally thought it was some sort of mass poisoning event from like a man-made source, and then they realized it was actually just some nasty algae that had created the scenario. Check out the next one. Man finds giant spider dragging his pet goldfish out of pond. Did you know that spiders could roll like that?
No. I mean, yeah, that poor fish.
It's a big spider, I guess. If you think of the size of a goldfish, you probably wouldn't want to encounter that spider. But, yeah, what's it going to do with the fish? Does it eat the fish? I guess. That would take a while. I mean, the fish is bigger than the spider. How about a sea turtle, a green turtle caught in a net off the coast of Argentina with an upset tummy? Pooped out loads of human trash, including nylon bags and hard plastics. He didn't know that's what it was. He assumed it was a jellyfish, seagrass, or worm or something like that. Veterinarians gave the turtle medication to help him poop, and the turtle recovered. Isn't that nice?
He doesn't look happy.
No, he's not happy at all, man. He's been eating nylon bags. He's like, you guys screwed me up. Come on.
Poor guy.
The next one is my favorite, shark versus swordfish. This is a shark that they found washed ashore with a stab wound from a swordfish's, what is it? What is it called? Their sword. A swordfish's sword. It looks like in this diagram it's called a rostral fragment. Oh, you're liking that? Wow, Will. You're off the rails today. What do you like over there? What's causing this? Is it the fragment? What's going on here?
I mean...
Which term do you like there?
It's just the face, like the cartoon. Like, that shark does not look happy either.
No. Well, that shark is dead, so...
Yeah.
Nothing to be happy about, I guess. Anyway, they tried to figure out how this might happen because this is a small shark, and they didn't... It would be unlikely for a conflict to happen between these two species, so they were wondering if it was some sort of a dispute over food, or if it was a targeted attack, or if it was a complete accident that this encounter took place. Either way, it hit the shark pretty clean and looks to have wiped it out. And Willie Doo is really enjoying that one. Yeah, those are all the cool ones as far as I'm concerned. You can skip the ones at the bottom. So some interesting animals washing ashore in 2020. That's it, man. That's 2020. It's a wrap. What can I say? Shout out to everybody who has been a part of the community here, has been a part of Lulater for the past year, and I guess even before that. How long have we been doing this? We've been doing this for a bit now.
Oh, yeah.
We've been doing this for a bit now.
Over 200 episodes.
2020's been a weird year. We spent some of it together, if you've been a part of this. And, yeah, I think when things are weird, it's actually when you need to have things to, I don't know, distract you from it, or entertain, or even just to hang out, whatever it is. Mm-hmm. Whatever it is, whichever way it is that you utilize this content, we sincerely appreciate it. And as I said earlier in the podcast, one thing about being in the situation that 2020 has put us is that it leaves a tremendous amount of room to go up. And so we can sit here and stare up at all the potential that 2021 presents us with.